So we're on chapter 10, lesson 4. We're going to multiply whole numbers and fractions. So this is a key detail. You can rewrite a whole number as a fraction. So as long as I have 12 and then 12 over 1, that's going to be my fraction. So example 1, wild parrots spend a sixth of the day looking for food. How many hours a day does the parrot spend looking for food? So we're going to multiply 1/6 times 24. So 1/6 times 24, we're going to change 24 into a fraction, so this would be an improper fraction. So we have step 1, multiply the numerators with numerators. Step 2, multiply denominators with denominators. That's an ugly 2. So 1 times 24 equals 24. 6 times 1 equals 6. So I have 24 over 6. If I do 24 divided by 6, so simplifying, that equals 4. So a wild parrot spends 4 hours a day looking for food. Key concept. Key concepts always tell you how to solve. So to multiply a whole number by a fraction, write the whole number down as a fraction, then multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Just like we did up above and just how we're going to do now. Find the unknown. 2 times 4/5 equals blank. So if we estimate 4/5 is close to 1, so our answer should be relatively close to 2. So we're going to write 2 as a fraction. So 2 times 4/5 equals 2 over 1 times 4/5. So we have 2 times 2 times 4 equals 8. 1 times 5 equals 5. Now if I divide 8 divided by 5, I'm going to have, this is going to equal 1 with a remainder of 3. So I'll do that right over here. We have 8 divided by 5. 5 goes into 8 once. And then we have remainder 3. It's very important that we know how to write a mixed number. My remainder is my numerator and my divisor is my denominator. So 1 times 4/5 equals 8/5 or 1 3/5. And 1 3/5 is close to 2. Real quick, the main thing that a lot of students get confused with is when we add, you have to remember denominators stay the same. But when we multiply, that's not the rule for multiplication or division. So just please be aware that try not to mix up between multiplication and addition. So go ahead and try the guided practice. So we have 1/2 times 4. So we changed 4 into a fraction, so we have 1/2 times 4 over 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 4 over 2, or 4 divided by 2, and this is going to be 2. And that's the end of the lesson, so thank you for watching.